I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a billing problem on Uber Eats, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Uber Eats website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to view your billing information. Step 3. Check payment methods. In the account settings, navigate to the Payments section. Here, you can review your saved payment methods and see if there are any issues, like expired cards. Step 4. Update billing information. If you find any discrepancies, update your payment method by clicking on Add Payment Method or Edit next to the existing one. Make sure to enter the correct card details. Step 5. Review recent orders. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out to Uber Eats support if problems persist. Happy ordering!